The contribution of the sound engineer has never been fully appreciated.
Yeah, especially before the advent of talking pictures.
But if you really want to know how much they add to the production of a film, next time you go to a movie house, put your hands over your ears and just watch the picture.
Now, take your hands away from your ears and put them over your eyes.
If you like what you hear, thank the sound engineer.
The nominees for Outstanding Achievement in Sound are Arthur Piantadosi, Les Freshholtz, Michael Minkler, and Willie D. Burton for Altered States.
Richard Portman, Roger Heeman, and Jim Alexander for Coal Miner's Daughter.
Bill Varney, Steve Maslow, Gregg Landaker, and Peter Sutton, The Empire Strikes Back.
Michael J. Kohut, Aaron Rochin, J. M. Harding, and Chris Newman for Fame.
Donald O. Mitchell, Bill Nicholson, David J. Kimball, and Les Lazarowitz for Raging Bull.
And the winners are Bill Varney, Steve Maslow, Gregg Landaker, and Peter Sutton for The Empire Strikes Back.
Let me grab this over here. There you are.
Thank you, Lundell. It takes the creative talents of a lot of people to create a soundtrack of the likes of The Empire Strikes Back. So Steve and Gregg and Peter and I must share these awards tonight with a long list of people, which we will have to skip a few, of course. Particularly producers George Lucas and Gary Kurtz, Irving Kershner, the fabulous Ben Burt, who creates the terrific sound of The Empire, all of the people at the Samuel Goldwyn sound facility, particularly Don Rogers and John Bonner and Ernie and Dave, our special right and left-hand man, Kevin O'Connell, my dear Susie and Lisa, who somehow tolerate the insanity of all this, Don Didge and the guys at the Dolby Labs, and you for so honoring us tonight. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the Academy for this. This is my first. I'm very nervous. I would like to thank George Lucas, Gary Kurtz, Ben Burt, and the entire editorial staff that worked behind us. The magic worked on the show, and thank you.
This is quite an honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.